As the winter breeze kicks in, Hazy Graphix is up for a cool challenge. He's teaming up with another awesome Photoshop artist for an epic battle. Both of them selected some stock images, and guess what? Both of them has to make the artwork in Adobe Photoshop using only those images and nothing else. Stay tuned to see the magic they create together. Welcome to another brand new episode of Photoshop Battle. Let's take a look who's joining this challenge. First from Iran Video.
Hello everyone, this is Navidio. I'm 23 years old, from Iran. I'm working with Photoshop about 6 years. And recently I just start making video of my works and upload them in YouTube. Hope you enjoy the video.
And on the other hand is Hazy Graphix, the owner of this channel.
Hey guys, I'm Hazy Graphix. I'm 18 years old, and I've been using Photoshop from 7 to 8 years. I'm using Photoshop from when I was a child. I used to make banners and poster designs, etc. in Photoshop, but then I started making digital arts and these kind of videos for YouTube.
Now let's take a look which images these guys have chosen for this challenge. These are the images they both have selected. Well, seems very useful, huh? Before we started, let's take a quick look on rules, shall we? Both of them can't add any other images into their artwork except for these selected images. They have to use at least 10 images. They can only use Photoshop and Camera Raw. The artwork ratio must be 4 to 5. They are totally free to use any brushes or overlays. Now, without wasting any more time, let's start the battle. Well done. I guess both of them did a very great job. Now it's up to you to decide who created the best artwork. What you have to do is just vote for your favorite artwork in the community tab pool. You can find it in this channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, because as you can see, it took us a lot of effort to make this video for you guys. Just do it, please. It means world to us. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.